Graduation day, a moment of triumph, often comes with a hidden challenge: student loan debt. For many, the weight of these loans can feel overwhelming, casting a shadow on future dreams. You're not alone in facing this financial reality. Millions navigate the complexities of student loans. But what if there were smarter, more creative ways to tackle this burden head-on? This video will guide you through effective strategies to manage and pay down your student debt. Let's transform that debt tracker from a source of stress into a path to financial freedom. Ready to boost your income and accelerate your repayment journey? Let's explore creative earning. Side hustles can significantly impact your debt repayment. Your skills have value. Whether it's graphic design, pet care, or selling unique items, there's an opportunity for you. Imagine channeling that additional income directly towards your student loans. Even small, consistent contributions can make a huge difference over time. It's about empowering yourself with multiple income streams and taking control. Consider developing these skills. They can open doors to lucrative freelance gigs. Next, let's hack your expenses with innovative budgeting techniques. Smart budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about mindful spending and saving. Utilize modern budgeting apps to track every dollar and identify areas for optimization. Every penny saved is a penny that can go towards your financial freedom. Understand powerful repayment strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche methods. The snowball method focuses on small wins, while avalanche targets high-interest debt first. Choose the approach that best motivates you to stay on track. Small habitual changes can lead to significant savings over time. Consider reducing daily discretionary spending and redirecting those funds. Now, let's explore programs and perks that can lighten your load. Many employers offer student loan repayment assistance as part of their benefits. Inquire about these programs. They can significantly reduce your monthly payments. Public Service Loan Forgiveness, PSLF, is a powerful option for eligible workers. Explore income-driven repayment plans that adjust payments to your earnings. These programs are designed to make loan repayment more manageable and sustainable. Don't miss out on potential relief. Research what you qualify for. Achieving financial freedom from student debt is within your reach. By implementing these strategies, you can build a brighter financial future. Take control of your student loans today and embark on your debt-free journey.